Good morning, students. Today, let us start coordinate geometry. Under that, distance formula. So, the distance formula, when 2 points are given, as it's shown in the video, the first formula is between any two coordinate points, distance between any two coordinate points, that is d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance can be calculated between any two coordinate points are given. Another one is called again distance between coordinate point and the origin. Here origin coordinates will be 0 and 0. So the distance can be calculated using the formula root of x square plus y square. Once again, the origin coordinates of origin will become 0 and 0. Hence the formula is distance d is equal to root of x square plus y square. Let us calculate the distance between the points 4, minus 3 and origin. Now you know one set of coordinates are given, another set of the coordinates, that is origin 0, 0. Right, the formula used will be d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. Here the x value will be 4 plus y value will be minus 3. So now it has become d is equal to root of 4 square plus of minus 3 whole square. In the next step, d is equal to root of 4 square value will become 16 plus minus 3 whole square value will become 9. In the following step, if I add 16 plus 9, it will be 25. Square root of 25. You know the value of square root of 25, that is d is equal to 5. That means distance between the points 4, minus 3 and origin is 5. Let's go to another example. Where two coordinates are given. The question is Find the distance between the two coordinates -3, 0 and 3, -8. Here x1 value is -3, y1 value is 3. That is x1, y1 is equal to 3, 0, x2, y2 that is equal to 3, -8. So you know already distance formula, when two coordinates are given, d is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So when we substitute the x2 value, x1 value, y2 value and y1 value into the formula, we'll get root of 3 plus 3 whole square plus -8 minus 0 whole square. So here x2 value is 3, x1 value is, here x1 value has become +3 because here -3 and 1 formula minus, it has become +3 whole square plus y2 value is -8 minus y1 value is 0. So in the next step, d is equal to, once again, root of 3 plus 3 whole square plus -8 minus 0 whole square is -8. That is, once again, root of 3 plus 3 whole square is 6 whole square plus -8 minus 0 whole square is -8 square. If you add the 6 square, answer is root 36. -8 whole square is +64. That is, d is equal to root of 36 plus 64. Now if you add 36 plus 64, it will become root 100. So now d is equal to 100. You know that square root of 100 is 10. So therefore, distance between the two coordinates -3, 0 and 3, -8 is 10. So this is how, when the two coordinates are given, distance between the two coordinates can be calculated using the formula d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square.